In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Microsoft Forms survey in Microsoft Teams. If you already built your survey in Microsoft Forms and you're ready to put it in front of your team, this walkthrough is for you. We'll add your existing form as a tab so people can fill it out right inside the channel or group chat. Start by opening Microsoft Teams in your desktop app or browser, then head to the specific channel or group chat where you want the survey to live. This matters because the survey tab you add will be visible to everyone who has access to that space. Make sure you have permission to add tabs in that location. If not, a team owner can enable it. At the top of the window, select the plus icon, also labeled Add a Tab. This opens the gallery of apps you can pin to the conversation. From here, choose apps to browse the available options. If the list is long, using the search bar can save time. Find and select Forms. This is the Microsoft Forms app that connects your existing surveys to Teams without copying anything over. In the setup screen, pick Add an existing form. Because your survey is already built, this option lets you link it directly instead of starting from scratch. Next, choose the survey you've already created from the list that appears. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're signed into the same account and organization where the form was created, and check whether it's a personal form or a group form. Set the drop-down to Collect Responses. This setting is important. It ensures the tab is in submission mode so teammates can complete the survey, not just view it. When everything looks right, click Save. Teams will create a new tab in your channel or chat that opens the survey instantly. Participants can respond without leaving Teams, and their answers flow back to Microsoft Forms automatically. There's also a Show Results option designed for later once you're ready to display outcomes to the group. A couple quick tips as you roll it out. Let your team know the tab is live and share a brief deadline to encourage timely responses. If your organization restricts who can respond, keep in mind that only permitted users will be able to submit. You can review results and export them from Microsoft Forms at any time. That's it. Your Microsoft Forms survey is now shared in Teams and ready for responses. Thanks for watching and good luck with your survey.